So, now that we have had a guided meditation and you've most likely had a taste of what meditation is like, it's time for you to try for yourself. And as I mentioned in the beginning of this beginner section, is that this entire beginner section we will use a mantra. Now, a mantra has the function, the purpose that it will be something that your mind can focus on so that you do not have to battle all the thoughts that pop up all the time. You might have noticed in the guided meditation where you did not use a mantra that thoughts came all the time. Although you were listening to my voice, maybe in the gap in the middle or toward the end where we did not speak, you might have gotten a flood of thoughts. And so a mantra will make sure that you think about the mantra and not everything else. And so in many spiritual traditions, a mantra is some divine sentence, that means something important and whatever. And this is useless. Well, not useless, but there's no purpose to it being meaningful. It's actually preferable that the mantra means nothing. That the mantra is merely a sound that you repeat over and over and over again. Completely meaningless, just something that goes like an engine in your mind to scare away other thoughts. And you can make your own mantra, and it can be a few syllables long. Wum za, wum za, wing dung, wing dung, sim va, zim va. You just create a 2-syllable word, not a word but a sound that you enjoy, and you just repeat that. Not out loud, you can out loud, but that's not really the point here. You just hear it. And you just let it go, and you just be aware of that. Well, you get deeper and deeper. And so I want you to try this on 3 separate occasions. You can take all of them today or spread them out and then come back. And the first time you only do it for 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes, that's enough. The next time, 10 minutes. And then the third time, 15 minutes. Okay? So you go lay down in your bed, and if you fall asleep and become tired or whatever, that's totally fine. You just try again next time. And so you take the 5 minutes, and if you manage to do it, then you can go to 10 minutes. If you're struggling with 5 minutes, then keep doing 5 minutes until you can do 5 minutes, and then take 10 minutes, and then 15 minutes. And just keep the mantra going all throughout. But if you get the natural impulse that now I am silent, I am meditating, I'm here, I don't need the mantra anymore, then by all means, let it go. Forget all about it. But if thoughts start popping up again and start to distract you, then just begin the mantra again. Okay. So when you've done this, then come back for the next video.